Hello, hi, welcome to the Lipstick Chat. We are back with a quick update of Isita the enemy. Unka is continuing to gamble his life away and gamble other people's things away because Unka is just Unka, right? With that, we know Guti he's going to be in trouble, and people that are helping him and working with him are also going to be in trouble. Who is going to be the one suffering the most? We are yet to see. Umam Rebecca has accepted Umtwana Lokabonka. They are all a happy family and is enjoying the same benefits Unkai is enjoying. With that said, girl Umama Galanga is putting a seed in Mam Rebecca's mind to start a mortuary. We don't know why in particular afaka leo seed to mortuary, but mortuary is going to be the business that's going to happen. Agaizwisisi ke ugai lo agaizwisisi solomzi because he just lost a child, and it's like, nope, this is not the business that we could be doing. We are in mourning, we are going through a lot, and I don't know what's going to happen. But with that said, I'm asking myself, Uguti, what is their plan? And if Funrapala succeeds, then how is it going to be payback for them? We can't understand. Then Ukomage, and I said, because he found out Uguti Unolita had a hand in making sure Uguti Ukaya is unalived, and they worked together. No, Mam Rebecca. Obviously, this did not sit well with him. And at this point, Kumbuluguti Umzalwan, he's saved and sanctified, he's washed by the blood of Jesus, and therefore he no longer lives, but Christ lives in him. Meaning Uguti, he can no longer do the things that he used to do and stuff. What's going to be the revenge that he is anticipating? But he's still in his marriage, he's still staying Nonolita. While Uvelapi is in college, varsity or whatever they call it, and Ugai seems like he's taking his relationship with school seriously. Speaking about his relationship with school, his other relationship with his older woman is still continuing, and the new girl in town is judging all that. Will Ugello end up ashayelo mama longestina or kanjani? How do you think it's going to unfold? Because the way bazwana corner, and Amahle, when she comes back from prison, what will then happen? Because I like one thing about Abantu Base Bagosita, they always find a way to come back.